What's up, guys? So today I'm changing out my brake light and running light bulbs out of my 2008 Jeep Liberty, and I'm upgrading to LED. I hope this didn't end up like it did a few months ago on my Grand Cherokee. Kind of aggravating, but these are just Sylvania LED, and I've heard really good things about these if they're in a reflective thing, which they are. So I just need to get this 10mm screw out. And I saw another video where they said you need a socket. I've been doing just fine with a wrench, but it takes a little bit more patience. Just take this out. After quite a bit of pulling force, I got it out. And I come to notice one of the bolts holding this down is sticking out like a sore thumb. So I'm just working on getting this off. It takes two T20 Torx bits to get them out. Okay, so this requires a T20 Torx bit. So you just twist this off like so. No clue why that was in so loose. Kind of made me a little nervous. I really wonder about the people who owned this before us. There it is. Now I take number 2 out. Okay, so after taking the T20 Torx bit off, these come off. This whole thing comes off. No, taillights get me in trouble. So the little housing is right here, and you just take that. Good news is I got this out. Bad news is this got so hot it's stuck inside the housing. I cannot get it out. So yeah, I'm gonna try and work this out. I asked for help, and I was able to get this part out, and as you can see, it got a little hot. So now I am going to break the glass inside there more so I can get the actual bulb around it off. Okay, I just shook it out a little and I got the bulb out. So now let's get it all back together, shall we? Okay, after getting the new bulb in, I'm going to put it back in that. Side comparison, the LED taillight is in there, and the incandescent light is in there, and the man himself, Chase, will be holding the camera. So yeah, let's get to it. That's good. Okay, I'm glad I'm changing this one out because this one also looked like it's on the path to going away. How do you feel about that, Chase? Good answer.
Should have just kept the old ones.
Why?
So they can go. So you don't need brake lights.